Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about how to trade synthetic indices, and I'm going to be showing guys this strategy step by step on how you can actually be able to make a lot of money from the synthetic indices market. So the very first step is actually pull up your trading view chart. Now if you go to normal trading view, you won't be able to access this pair, so you just have to move to your Deriv and go to deriv.com and actually try to figure out how to actually get access to your Deriv charts. So once you have done that, you want to actually pick the pair you want to trade. So for this tutorial, I'll be using V25 index, that is volatility index 25. We are going to be starting by doing our top down analysis. So as you can see right now, I'm going to be starting from 24 hours time frame to actually see what the price is doing overall. So you can see that for the 24 hours time frame, price is actually pushing up. It's actually pushing up from this point, but we are experiencing a bit of a pullback here. So let's go down to the lower time frame to actually get what price is doing overall. So coming down to the 8 hours time frame, you can see that market is actually coming down a bit. It's actually retracing to this point. So let's try and get to the 4 hour time frame. So that's the essence of doing top down analysis, so you can be able to get an overview of what the market is doing. So top down analysis is a very good method to actually ascertain what market is doing overall. So in that same way, so the 4 hours time frame, market is also actually pushing down, but let's go down to the 2 hours time frame to actually see what price is doing. Now you have to take your time, guys. Don't rush the process. Try to understand what price is doing overall on all the time frames, so you don't actually go out there and make yourself a mistake. So right now I'm going to actually be trying to trade my model. I don't know whether I trade ICT or SMC or any of those things. Just let me know down below in the comment section what model you trade, whether I trade ICT, SMC, or which model that you actually trade. Alright, so at this point we are going to start doing our analysis from the 1 hour time frame. As you can see right here, I'm actually seeing my model right here. So what made me actually want to do a sell? So as you can see right here, let me pick up my trend line. As you can see right here, there was a sweep of liquidity here. So you can see the market swept liquidity, and coming down to this point, you can actually see, let me pull up this too. You can actually see right here, the price broke a structure right here. Price broke a structure, and then don't mind my drawing, I actually know how to draw. But let's go down to the lower time frame so actually get what I'm actually saying. So as you can see right here, the market actually tapped into this point before I actually started selling. The market actually broke to this point. So this is the basic strategy which I'm using right now. So this is our sweep of liquidity, is our break of structure, and then this point which I'm about to mark out right now should serve as our structural liquidity. So this point right now should be our structural liquidity. So and eventually price tapped into this point and actually started selling. Market came to this point and actually started selling to this point. So let's pull up our tools and actually check our risk to reward ratio, as mean we actually took the trade. So let's say we entered from here. Let's bring down the SL. So right here, this should be it. So and let's put this down to this point, and you see that price actually smashed it, and this reward ratio is okay. I'm not actually be able to see this right now because I'm on mobile. But as you can see here, is a very good risk to reward ratio. So this is exactly how you actually do this. But if you think this only works on this pair, let's go to another pair and actually check out. So let's say I want to do okay, let's try to get another pair. So let's try R75. So going down to R75, we're going to be seeing what market is actually doing. So as you can see right here, let's start from 24 hours time frame again to actually get what market is doing overall. So going to the 24 hours time frame right now, you can see that your market is actually dropping. Yes, we're in a downtrend actually. So going to the 8 hours time frame, market is actually trying to make a bit of a push up from this point, but let's still go down to the 4 hour time frame to actually see what market is doing, because it's actually trying to day trade this. If you're actually swinging, then you should be using a different approach. I'm still going to be talking about that in my subsequent videos, which is why you guys should click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon, so whenever I drop a new video, you guys will be the first people to actually get those videos. So you can actually see here that right here there's a sweep of liquidity. Let me pull up my trend line to actually show you guys this. There's a sweep of liquidity right here, and there's another break of structure around this point. So around this point there was a break of structure. So after the break of structure, price came here to create this structural liquidity, and as price has created structural liquidity, market is actually trying to push up to actually catch up with it at this point before it actually starts selling to subsequent point. But let's go down to lower time frame. Let me try 15-minute time frame and actually see what market or price is actually doing at that point. So as you can see here, price is actually start trying to do that same thing at this point again. So let me try minimize this so you can actually get a good view of this. So as you can see here, there's also another sweep of liquidity around this point. After that point, there's a break of structure here to the downside, and then this is our structural liquidity at this point. So when market starts going up, when market starts to push up, it's going to take off the structural liquidity and actually go down and sell to this point, or even further below to this juncture. So that's it guys for this video. If you actually enjoyed the video, drop me a like. If you didn't, go down below in the comment section and tell me what I should teach you next in my other videos. From here, make sure you subscribe and drop a like to this video.